Hello and welcome, another episode where I won't be posting very long videos as I'm on holidays and I can't edit them, but I've got a 2-litre TDI 4Motion Tiguan here with 135 kilowatts, so that's 185. If I'm wrong, correct me in comments, but something like that. 135 kilowatts of power. So this model tells me that it has a problem with first glow plug. So you've got glow plug 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is there. So I took the cover off. We need to remove this plug and replace the glow plug. This is very how could I phrase it? Well, you will either go or you will snap. That's how it is. So, but I will risk it for the biscuit and I will try changing it. So I've got a new one, which is right here. And that's my new glow plug. So we'll see. I'll try changing it, see what happens. At the minute, my diagnostic machine tells me that there is a fault on number 1. Tools that you will need is a 10mm deep socket on extension, because obviously the glow plug is quite far in. Ratchet, long nose pliers to pull the plug up, and new glow plug. Later on we'll test it as well to see if the number 1 glow plug is actually burnt. So let's get the glow plug out. Come on. There you go. Okay, you will need something to dig the dirt out as well, because there's loads of leaves. You see? Because if you're gonna take the glow plug out, if you're gonna take a glow plug out and all this dirt gonna go in, you may not like, the engine may not like it. So just clean it up. Let's clean it up. Much better. Can't adjust, but it is clean now. Let's get it out. And to be fair, it wasn't even tight. It was quite no, it wasn't tight. So let's see. Come on. Can't pick it up. Too far in. Okay, so the top of the glow plug look a bit burnt. Obviously it's black because it's, you know, diesel and stuff, but it's burnt. So let's fit the new one and then we're gonna test this one. Obviously before fitting, just make sure the thread is the same, the plug is the same, the length, overall length is the same, and the tips are the same, because obviously if it's a slightly longer, then, well, it's wrong. It's relatively simple and easy, unless it snaps, and that's when you got a problem. It doesn't need to be very tight, hand tight. I would say. Plug clean. So let's get the plug back in and we're ready to start up. Okay, plug is in. Let's plug the diagnostic machine and let's see if there are any faults. Okay, before we're gonna connect the diagnostic, obviously I wanna show you that this glow plug doesn't work. So you've got earth and you've got feed, and nothing is happening. So the glow plug basically is rubbish. So that's the number one from the timing belt. So yeah, that's how you replace a glow plug. Thank you for watching. No, actually, hold on, not yet. Let's have a look at the fault. There you go. So it looks like it detected that there was a glow plug that was burnt. I've changed the glow plug and now it's showing that it hasn't got any glow plugs that are burnt. So, well, it cleared itself. So, happy days. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.